Hi everyone, I want to share with you the December Your Creative Studio box. This is a kind of a subscription box, but you can also buy just the one off. They usually sell out rather fast, so if you want to get your hands on one of them, I don't know if this month's is still available, but yeah, check their website. I will link you to that below. This is not sponsored, but this was sent to me. I also have videos of the last two kits, so you can check that out. I think they are really beautifully curated, and they usually have a theme, and I love her themes. Last month it was kind of like photography vintage, and then before that it was Alice in Wonderland. This month is fittingly kind of the holidays. So let's take a look and see what's in it. It comes nicely wrapped and very inviting. We have these lovely stickers. Sorry about this. And there's also a washi cutter, which is really... I was recently in Japan and I bought this actually for my friend, and for myself I kind of held off because I was like, I'm not gonna get it, and then it came in the kit and I'm kind of really happy that it did. This is a retro sticky note, so it has this cool look to it and you just pull out the sticky note. Really, really cute. Let's look at these. So there are a couple of stamps. There's actually another stamp set, if I'm not mistaken, and which is actually rather nice because I am planning on doing a December daily. We'll see how I deal with that, but it's nice to have things that you can repeatedly use throughout, you know, a journal. So these are the stamps. They really have that retro look to them. This one says Merry Christmas and it has a tree. And then this one has an image of Santa and it says Santa approved. So that's really cute. I do like wooden stamps. I just really like the look of them. There are some cute wood veneers, which will be really fun for decorating your holiday projects. There's this beautiful little charm, so I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna do my best to use some of these in my December daily, but this is really beautiful. I think it's such a lovely item to include in the kit, and I hope I can use it. It's really pretty. Then we have What Are You? I don't know, but it's very nicely wrapped. There are 30 pieces. Oh, it's vellum. Oh, that's pretty. So it's wrapped with this thread and then it's just like sheets of vellum. It's very, very soft, which I appreciate. I'm a very tactile person, and there are different patterns. So there's... This one says Merry Christmas, and then these have kind of that mail type of look to them. Love it. These are really, really cute. I have to think on how, like, what would be the best way to include these in my projects. And then this one has, hopefully you can see, it has these lovely icons on it, and I think that's it. So should be, if there are indeed 30 here and there are 3 patterns, should be 10 of each. Lots and lots. We have 2 washies. So this one is a really wide washi with a beautiful floral that is very fitting for the holidays. So you could use this to wrap things even. This washi, I really enjoy very simple washi tapes just because they are so versatile. So let's see if I manage to get it open, but this is basically the pattern. I'm really sorry about the lighting. I think my camera has to do some efforts to get the white balance right. It's so dark outside and so foggy. Winter really seems to be here, only without the magic of snow, which I'm okay with because, you know, if there's snow, I have to shovel it. So always look for the silver lining. And yeah, so this is kind of days of the week type of washi, which is really great for something like a December daily. I really like that. And there are also kind of quotes sprinkled throughout. Here we have a notebook. There are 30 sheets. Oh, I love this. I'm really into kind of vintage style that is not too dark brown and distressed, and anything that is travel themed. So this is just really beautiful. And the paper is lovely. It feels kind of, it looks kind of old. Obviously it's not, but it kind of looks like it is. Then we have another stamp set. So this one is really cute. It also has these holiday themed images. I love this. This is beautiful. And it's also cute. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Love that, because it's not just Christmas this time of year. We have other holidays as well. And then we have some papers that are very fitting. 'Tis the season and all. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one soon. Bye.